Do you ever feel like your small business is hitting a wall and that next big growth step just seems out of reach? It's a common challenge. Every growing business needs capital to expand, whether that's buying new equipment, boosting inventory, or simply having working capital to cover day-to-day operations. If you're based in the Connecticut or New York area, Patriot Bank's small business loans might be the perfect solution. In this video, we'll walk through the simple, step-by-step process of applying for a small business loan with Patriot Bank. The key to a successful loan application is preparation. Patriot Bank's process is generally streamlined, but they want to see that your business is sound and ready for investment. Step 1. Determine your needs and loan type. Before you apply, be clear about how much money you need and exactly what you'll use it for. Patriot Bank offers a range of options, including SBA loans, which are government-backed and often come with more competitive rates and longer terms. Patriot Priority loans for quick, accessible financing up to $250,000. Business lines of credit for flexible, revolving capital. Equipment and vehicle loans for targeted purchases. Knowing your need helps you select the right product, which speeds up the whole process. Step 2. Gather your documents. This is where preparation pays off. While the exact list can vary, for a request of $100,000 or less, you will generally need your personal tax returns for the past 2 years, the last year of your business tax returns, internal profit and loss and balance sheets. For larger or more complex requests, you might also need a comprehensive business plan, a sales agreement for equipment, or rental documentation. The general rule is, the more organized you are, the faster underwriting can move. Step 3. The application. Patriot Bank makes it easy to get started. You have a couple of options. First, you can complete a short online inquiry form on the Patriot Bank website. This is a great way to start, as a lending professional will quickly get back to you to walk you through the specifics of your application. Alternatively, and often recommended, is to contact or visit a local branch to meet with a dedicated business loan officer. These officers are experts who can review your needs, help you refine your financial projections, and ensure your application package is complete and strong before it's formally submitted. This personal guidance can be invaluable. Step 4. Review and closing. Once your application is submitted, it goes through the bank's underwriting process. This is where they verify your information and assess the risk. Patriot Bank is committed to making quick, local decisions, so the turnaround can be faster than with a national lender. If approved, you'll finalize the loan agreement and the funds will be dispersed, allowing you to move forward with your business growth plan. And that's it for steps to applying for a small business loan with Patriot Bank. Start by clearly defining your financial need, get those documents organized, reach out to an officer, and you'll be on your way. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.